Okay, mathematicians, welcome back. So today we are going to be doing a number sense routine. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, mathematicians, welcome back. So today we are going to do another number sense routine where we are focusing on making tens. And we are going to be working with 4 numbers in the number sentence today. Last time we did this, I'm thinking you felt really confident afterwards. So I think you're going to do another round of amazing work today. Are you ready to do the first one? Okay. So our first number sentence is 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 2. Remember, don't shout out if you're working with someone at home. Let them have their thinking time. Okay, come back together. So I'm guessing that you saw 2 number facts within this number sentence. That 4 plus 6 make 10, and that 8 plus 2 make 10. I know you probably saw these a lot faster if you watched our video before. Because if you watched our last video, then this would have made this number sentence really easy to solve. So if you did do it that way, I'm guessing you probably did something like this, where you put the 4 and the 6 together to make a 10. You saw the 8 and the 2 and made a 10 in your mind. And then afterwards, we're able to add those 2 10s together to make 20. Did I get it right? Did you do something similar? If you didn't, that's okay. You might have done something else, but probably still using your knowledge of making tens to do so. Okay, well, let's do the next number sentence. Let's do 9 and 3 and 1 and 7. Okay. Give you a bit more thinking time. Okay, let's come back together. Now, mathematicians, if you notice, within the last few videos, I haven't been directly going towards the answer. I've been going first with how you probably solve it. So talking first about the strategy. And I've done that on purpose, simply because I don't want you, or we don't want, any of your teachers want you to think that the answer is more important than the work that you show. When you're doing your assignments, we are still going to give you full credit, even if you have the wrong answer, as long as you show us within your work that your strategy makes sense with what you are doing. If you have a valid strategy, but you maybe miscounted a little bit and got the wrong answer, we're still going to give you full credit, because what we value most, what we place more importance on, is not the answer, but the work that you do, the strategies that you show. So again, just as a reminder, your work is more important to us than the answer. Your strategies tell us more about your thinking and how you're getting better as mathematicians than the answer, actually. Because if you have a strategy that doesn't make sense, but somehow the answer is right, then that makes us a little confused as to maybe where you were in your thinking, or how you got there. So are you ready to do this with me? Okay, so let's do 9 and 3 and 1 and 7. So I'm thinking this one was just a little bit more challenging, and I'm not saying hard, but I think it might have taken you a bit more time to solve, because the numbers, if you were using your knowledge of making tens, that make a 10 were not right next to each other. But within this number sentence, I do see 2 number facts. The first one I see is that 9 and 1 make a 10, and that 3 and 7 make a 10. But again, those numbers are not exactly right next to each other. So if you did use number facts to solve this, you probably took a little bit more time in your head to sort of rearrange them as you were working it out. So you might have done 9 and 1 first, then 3 and 7, and then added your 2 10s to get to 20. Did you do something similar? Maybe something different? Maybe some of you counted on? I'm betting most of you, however, did not go and do something like this, where you did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh wait, I forgot and I need to add them all again. I'm betting you didn't need to count out all the numbers to solve it. A lot of you are so far ahead of that, I don't think you needed to count out your numbers by ones to solve this, especially when there are friendly numbers that I'm sure you saw as I was writing the number sentence. Okay, are you ready to do the next one? Let's do 5 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4. I'm going to rewrite that actually because it's not my best work. Sometimes when you're working, you're not going to be consistently neat in your writing, and it's okay to do it over. It's okay to practice. That's the only way you're going to get better, by doing things multiple times. So let's do 5 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4. Okay. Give you a few more seconds. Okay, let's come back together. So again, I'm pretty sure you've noticed a pattern that it's the same answer, but the way we get to the answer has been different. The number facts that we use to get to the answer has been different. In this number sentence, I see two number facts. One that we actually used in the first one, and that is 6 plus 4. It was just flipped around. And then the other number fact I see within here is 5 and 5. So if you know these two number facts, you probably solved it using those two number facts. So you might have done 5 and 5 make 10, 6 and 4 make 10, and then we're able to add your 2 10s to get a 20. And then again, you've been noticing our answer for the past 3 number sentences has been 20. It's just that the way we got there has been different. Well, thank you for working with me, mathematicians. I know that you are just getting better every day at home as you're watching these videos. Mrs. Correa and I have really seen an improvement in your work and in your strategies, and we just couldn't be prouder of everything that you're doing. Well, thank you for working with me again today. I can't wait to work with you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.